Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be all about preparing for my newborn baby. So as of right now, I am about 30 weeks pregnant and I still have 10 more weeks-ish, depending if he decides he wants to come early or late, we will see. But I am in full nesting mode and I am just ready to clean and I am ready to organize and just get my house and my car and everything prepared for little man. So I'm going to take you guys along with me while I do this. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Let's get into it. Okay, so first thing is first is my laundry area. And so I went ahead and I filled up one of these cute little glass jars that I picked up from Ikea, I think for like $2 or $3. And I just filled it up with baby laundry soap, and then I took a little chalkboard label and just labeled it baby detergent. And that is gonna go right up here next to all of my other detergent, which I have labeled detergent, and then I have baby detergent. That way I know which is which. So this is the baby soap that I am using for him. It's just the 7th generation sensitive skin. It has 0 fragrance, which is what I wanted because I just don't want to take any chances washing his clothes and anything that's going to irritate his skin. So just as he is a little one, we are going to be extra cautious and just use some very basic soap. And then I also have this Dreft laundry stain remover, and we might need that. You never know. So I'm just going to put all of his little laundry stuff just in this little cube. That way, if my husband or when my mom comes to visit and wants to help out with laundry, they know exactly where everything for baby is, and it's clearly labeled so they don't get anything mixed up, and just making life a little bit easier for us. So first I'm just kind of organizing all of the sizes that I have for clothes. I have so many clothes, you guys. This is all of his newborn stuff. This is all 0 to 3 and 3 to 6. And this is all 6 and 6 to 9. So next up is just washing all of his clothes and blankets. I've already done quite a bit of his laundry, but I do have a basket full of his little crib sheets and some clothes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure everything is nice and washed. Okay, so I actually have these little cubes that I picked up from Ikea, and this is what I'm going to organize all of his clothes in. Rather than just having it all thrown in the dresser or folded in the dresser, I am going to use these. So one of these is going to be all of his sleepers, one of these is going to be all of his onesies, and these just slide in perfectly and they fit nice and neat. So I'm gonna have it like that, and then I will have all of his pants in the middle. So I just really like this. I totally recommend it. I think that it's a lot better than just having kind of everything for a free-for-all in the drawer if you have these little bins. So that is what I am going to do. Okay, so how I'm going to fold everything, go ahead and button everything up. And then I'm just going to fold it in half, like so. Fold his arms in. Take the bottom up about halfway, and then the top, so it's going to be in little 3s, and this just looks really good, nice and neat. Okay, and then items like jackets and cute little shirts and sweaters I am going to hang up in his closet. So I just got these hangers from Target. They are 99 cents, I want to say, for a pack of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and hang all of this stuff up. So I just wanted to quickly mention, because I've heard this from a lot of my mom friends, when you are washing your clothes, your baby's clothes, to just check the inside and make sure there's no little strings or twirled up hair in there or something. That way when the baby puts it on, it won't like wrap around them. So for example, like this has a little string right here. So if I see those, I'm just using my scissors and I'm cutting those off. I guess that it could wrap around the baby's arm or something and cut off their circulation, which we definitely don't want. So sorry, there's a plane going above my house, but yeah, so every outfit I'm just checking to make sure I don't see any of that, just to be extra safe. Okay, so I'm going to use this little bear basket that I picked up from Target, and I'm gonna put all of his little swaddle blankets in here. It's gonna go right next to my rocking chair, just so I have really easy access if I'm ever rocking him and need a swaddle, or I just want a swaddle. It's super easy just to come in and pull one out. So I have all of my little favorite swaddles, and I'm just rolling them up, and then just going to put them all in the basket. So moving on to how I'm going to be organizing baby boy's bathroom. So I have all of his products down here, and I'm just going to be using these little storage cube organizers that I picked up from Ikea, and they have a bunch of different sizes. I think it comes in a pack of 6 and it's like $4 or something like that, but I love these. They're super easy to use. They come like this, and then literally there's just a zipper on the bottom. Just zip them closed, and they're awesome little organizers. Seriously, use these for like anything around your house. So I use them all the time. This is all the bath stuff I have. I also have this little basket. I'm going to put all of his washing stuff, like his soap and everything, in this one. So I'm just using Aveeno Baby. I heard great things about that, and I just have the regular wash, I have lotion, and then I also have the calming one for like nighttime baths to get him sleepy. It has the lavender and vanilla in it. And then this is actually for mom, so I'm gonna put this out. And then I got a ton of little samples for free. This is the Baby Dove soap, Cetaphil, Johnson & Johnson, the Honest brand. So I'm just gonna throw these in here as well. If I decide to use those or not, I will have them. Or if we travel, these are really nice just to bring little soaps instead of having to bring like the full-size ones. So this basket is all of his bathing supplies. In this one, I'm gonna put all of his washcloths, just so it's super easy. So for his washcloths, I have a ton of different ones, just plain gray ones. I have some green ones. I got a ton of these little elephants. I mean, I just have so many little washcloths. So I'm just going to, I already washed them and just folded them up into little squares. I'm just going to put them in like this, so they're easy to get to, and just grab one when we need it. Okay, so just like that. So all of his washcloths, all of his bathing supplies. This, I'm just for now gonna put his little toys in. I don't have a ton of bath toys for him yet, because obviously, I mean, he's gonna be really small. He's not gonna be playing with bath toys. But okay, so for now, I'm just gonna put all of his little bath toys in there. This little bath toy set is super cute. I got it for my baby shower, but I put it on my Amazon baby registry, so Amazon definitely has it. But it's just the little Nemo characters, Finding Nemo characters, and then they actually fill up with water. So you just squeeze it, fill it with water, and then you can press them and the water spits out of their mouth. So it's like really fun to play with. So these are so cute, and I can't wait until he gets a little bit older and I can actually start like playing with all this with him. So that is all nice and organized. Other than that, I just have his little waterfall bath rinser. So I'm gonna unpackage this. I've mentioned this in my baby shower haul, but this is the bathtub that I'm using, the Angel Care one, 0 to 6 months. So I'm excited to try this. But all of his stuff is actually going to be going into our guest bathroom. So he does now have the guest bathroom. So I'm gonna store all of this under the sink, nice and neat. So when it's bath time, whether it's me or my husband or family that's visiting and wants to help give him a bath, everything will be nice and organized in one spot, very clearly, organized so you can see exactly what you need, and there should be no issues of people being like, oh, where's this, where's that? Everything is under the bathroom sink, so I really like that idea. Okay, so like I said, he is sharing the guest bathroom. On this side, I have like random guest products if they ever come and need anything. So he's gonna have this side. When he does come here, the bathtub's honestly probably just gonna like stay in the bathtub. But for now, I'm gonna put it under here. His little rinser, all of his washcloths, his supplies. Just put that right there. And then his toys. So that is basically how I have that right now. Okay, so as far as the changing pad goes, I just went ahead and got this one from Target, and it was like 30 bucks or something like that. Super affordable. And then I don't have like a designated changing table for him. I'm just putting this on top of his dresser. So what I did was went ahead and bought some of those non-grip slip. It comes in like a roll like this, and then you just cut it to whatever size you need. Like this usually goes under rugs and stuff. So I'm just putting that down first, and then this is gonna go on top of it, and it's just gonna help it from sliding around on top of the dresser. So like that. And then I ordered these changing pad covers from Amazon. I'm in a pack of 2. And this is the one that I'm using first. It's just white with little gray stars, which I think is super neutral, super cute. So that is what I'm gonna do. And then I also got these off of Amazon, and these are just changing pad liners. And they come like this. They are washable, super easy if there happens to be an accident on here, just to throw it in the washer and be done. So I'm gonna put this on top of the changing pad cover. I actually filmed part of this video a few weeks ago. I'm actually 35 weeks pregnant now, so it's been about 5 weeks that I realized I filmed this video and never really finished it. Whoops. So I'm just gonna show you quickly the last thing I did, which is just put together this little bedside diaper caddy. And this is just gonna go right by my bed because his bassinet is gonna be in my room for probably the first like 4 to 6 months. So rather than having to wake up and have to walk like into his nursery or whatever and grab diapers and stuff, I just have this little basket full of his essentials. So I figured I would quickly just show you what I threw inside here. The basket is from TJ Maxx. Okay, so basically what I did to put this together is I was like, okay, close your eyes and just imagine like he's crying, it's 3 a.m., you're tired, what are you gonna need? So I figured I would put a changing pad in there just in case. Put some wipies in there. I have a bunch of newborn diapers. I have a little extra blanket. I have a couple burp cloths just to burp him after I feed him. I have an extra outfit just in case he has an accident or something. And then I'm also going to put a little binky in here. So I feel like that would be everything I would need in the middle of the night. But if you think I'm forgetting something, let me know, because I just want to be prepared. And I know I'm gonna be tired, and I don't want to have to worry about like getting up and walking to a different room to change him or feed him or whatever. I just want to have everything right there next to me so I can easily just grab it and be prepared. So that is going to be it for this baby prep video. Like I said, I still have a lot of stuff that I need to do, but I don't want this video to be super long, so I'm probably gonna make another one similar to this of like other stuff that I have to do. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and I'll see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye guys.